Hi everyone, welcome back to Great Online Training channel. In today's class, we are going to discuss about the base SAS certification question number 59. So without any delay, let's enter into question number 59. So which statement is true and which is false? So the first one is, in a proc print procedure, you must use the where statement to specify which variables to print, otherwise no output will be produced. And the next one is, the proc print procedure automatically prints all variables in the dataset if no where statement is specified. So first of all, we have to know about the proc print. So when you use the proc print procedure, we no need to specify the where statement. So for example, if we have not specified the where statement also, the variables will get printed. So why the where statement is used here is, the where statement is used to present, like if we want only the certain variables to print in the output, so in that time we will use the where statement. So for example, if I have written as proc print data is equals to, I will take it from the SAS help.class and the run statement, run the program, and now you can see without writing the where statement also we are getting all the variables which are present in the SAS help.class. So I will open the SAS help.class and class, right? Yeah. And now see name, sex, age, weight and height. So in the output window also we are having name, sex, age, height and weight. So without writing the where statement also we are getting the observation. And when we write the where statement is used to get only the certain variables. So I want age and name only. So and now run the program. And now we are getting age and name. So when we are specifying the where statement also we are getting the variable observations in the output window, and also when we are not specifying the where statement, that is when we are not using the where statement also, we are getting that in the output window. So now we can tell the answer. So the first one is, in a proc print procedure, you must use the where statement to specify which variables to print, otherwise no output will be produced. So if we have not mentioned the where statement also, we are getting the output. So the first statement is the wrong one. And the next one is, the proc print procedure automatically print all variables in the dataset if no where statement is specified. Yes, if no where statement is also specified, the output will get in the output window without using the where statement. So the second one is true. So according to the question, the first one is the false and the second one is the true. So when we compare the option, the first one is A is true and B is false, and the second one is A is false and B is true. So this is the correct one because the first one is false and the second one is true. So the correct option here is the second one. So if you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. Subscribe to the Great Online Training channel, like the video and also share the video to your friends for more base SAS certification questions. And thank you guys. Thank you for watching.